Hi everyone, welcome to Solve Pages YouTube channel. Today I want to talk about the self-introduction for experienced SQL DBA candidates. So whenever you start with the self-introduction, make sure that you have all these details in that. First, your name and the location, where you have based out of, and the graduation details, where you have passed out of, and what kind of a degree it is, and the first company and the designation, and the current experience and the current designation, and the servers details, like how many servers that you're supporting, and how many of them are production, how many of them are test and dev, and what are the projects that you have been part of, like any UK or US based clients that you have worked for, any banking or any insurance clients you have worked on, and also environment, like what type of environment that you have worked for. It is a 24/7 or what a time zone that is you have worked on, and also mention the team size and what is your role in that. Try to mention all the tools that you have worked for, like any backup tool, ticketing tool, or a monitoring tool, and give this handover call and cap call details, and mention all the daily activities, ticketing details, like any incident ticket, service request, change request we have, right? Whatever the tickets you have worked on, mention all the ticket details, and also weekly, monthly activities, like any DR drills that you have performed, all the details you can mention. And finally, you can list out all the DBA activities you have worked for. So let's start with this introduction. My name is Rajesh. I'm from Hyderabad. I have completed my computer graduation in 2014, and I started my career as a junior database administrator. Now I'm having over 9 years of IT experience and 6 years of SQL database admin experience. Currently, I'm working as a senior database administrator at TCS, where I provide support for 1200 plus servers. Out of this, 800 are production servers and remaining are development and test servers. Coming to the projects, I have worked for US and UK based clients, including banking, insurance, and telecommunications. We are a team of 18 members working together to provide 24/7 support, and we use ServiceNow as a ticketing tool which raises alerts when incidents occur, and we are using Commvault third-party backup tool which is taking care of all the backups, restores, and also DB refresh activities. We use Logic monitoring tool to monitor all the production servers, and it will throw alerts for any job failures, disk space issues, long-running queries, synchronization issues, and also for high CPU utilization, high memory utilization issues. On the daily basis, we have a shift handover meeting where all the previous shift engineers provide summary and information about all the pending tasks or any ongoing issues, or there any changes have been scheduled. And apart from that, we also monitor all the emails, alerts, and tickets based on the categories that requires immediate response. Sometimes we also attend cap calls to present the change requests and get the approvals from the application owners. And coming to the daily roles and responsibilities, we work on SQL Server standalone installations, and we apply the service packs and cumulative updates whenever the Microsoft releases any updates. And we do upgradations and migrations from old version to the new versions, and worked on job failure issues, login troubleshootings, and fixing the orphan users, shrinking the database files to release the space, and creating a Windows SQL logins, and also granting the proper accesses. And we create weekly and monthly maintenance tasks as a proactive maintenance, like DBCC check DB, rebuild index on reorganize index jobs, update statistics jobs, and also maintenance cleanup jobs. And we all work with all the high availability disaster recovery techniques, including log shipping, database mirroring, replication, and always on availability groups. And we do rollover patching on always on servers, and we also do DR drills for every 6 months to make sure that the automatic failover is working fine. And I have experience in tuning the slow running queries, and also working with blockings and deadlocks. And coming to the tickets, we work incident tickets on the priority basis. We have different priorities like P1, P2, P3, and P4, P5. P1 is the highest priority and P5 is the lowest priority. And also users raise service requests whenever they need any help from the DB team. And we also raise standard changes for minor changes in the production, and we raise normal changes for critical changes which needs an outage, and we also work for the emergency changes as well. and we do health checks for the critical servers, and we also do the deployments on the weekends. So you can mention all these details. Thanks for watching.